Hi, today in front of me REALME 9 Pro Plus, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and then drag this up to another one. By this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. By the same way we can add here more applications. If you want to rename the folder, just tap on the name and enter the new one, for example the games. Tap to OK and that's it. To move this folder here on the screen or between the screens or just to create a new screen for the folder, we should just hold it and drag it by this way. To remove the application from here, you should just hold it and drag it to the home screen. If you want to remove it from the home screen and from the folder, you should just hold it and tap to remove icon, but don't worry, you will stay with this application in the apps menu. Also, if you want to remove all of the applications for the folder together, we should just hold and tap to remove folder. But if you wanna you should just tap to remove, but if you want to remove only the folder and stay with this application, so the home screen tab, just tap to remove folder. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.